everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It's the Cruise Nerds. We are here on Mariner of the Seas today, and we've got an ocean view balcony tour for you. So we're going to be on deck 7, and when you get off the forward elevators at deck 7, you're just going to take a left. And you're going to make the long trek down the hallway to 7544. Let's go ahead and go inside. Here is our ocean view balcony. It's the standard size. We'll go ahead and get the bathroom out of the way. Right when you walk into the cabin, it's going to be here on your left. Light switch right here. You've got the shower on the left, the sliding doors. Shower wand is up there. We added a magnetic shelf. That's a really good hack if you're lacking space in the shower. They did give us one little shelf here, but we find it's not usually enough room, so we added a magnetic shelf. And just so you know, this is a pattern on the doors. It's not actually water. It's not water stuck in there, it's just a pattern. You've got a little bit of storage there above the toilet. Your cabin will come with some towels. Hello there. Here's the sink. A little bit of storage under there, and you do have this small little cubby here, a few shelves. And then across from the bathroom, here's the closet. Pretty good size. You've got a few shelves here, the way down there. Life vests are already going to be in there. You'll have some hangers. You can always ask your stateroom attendant for more hangers if you need them. We shoved a piece of luggage in here. Pretty squeaky. And here is the couch. Excuse our mess. This is kind of our staging area and where we're putting all of our storage here. This couch in 7544 does not seem to pull out. It's just me and my husband in here, so we have not really tried too hard, but it doesn't seem to pull out. You've got a full-size mirror over here for when you're getting ready. And the vanity has a little bit extra storage for you. Got a drawers on each side there. Mirror, and then here's the plug situation. We're utilizing the Euro plug here to convert our US plugs. Have it there. And they've got a couple of 120 volts over here too. A few more shelves here. Here is your cooler. It won't keep stuff super cold, but it'll keep it chilled. And the TV, it swivels a bit. Here's the safe. And a little bit more storage up there too. Now we have our bed pushed together for the royal king size, which is closest to a queen, but you can always ask your stateroom attendant to separate the beds into 2 twin beds instead if you like. Here's a little nightstand. No plugs on this side or the other side, but there is a light switch. And this little lamp can be controlled, a couple different lights here. That one, and then this is like a little reading light. Okay, and we will make our way over here. We've got a beautiful view of the sunset tonight. And you're gonna have to hold on just a tick because this door is very difficult to open. So give me just a sec, and let me open this door. All right, here we are. Here's our beautiful ocean view balcony. It is sunset now. We've got a gorgeous view of the ocean. This is what you can look forward to every night. Your balcony will come with 2 chairs here and a little table. The chairs can extend a bit. You'll see the sticker, it says do not lay flat, but you can see that it will extend and recline just a little bit if you like. This is our last night before we depart the cruise in the morning, and this was a wonderful way to end it. Such a beautiful sight. That is our room tour. A couple of things to keep in mind that I will just put in here as an opinion. I will say this particular bed is not comfortable at all. We've been on a good number of cruises, and I would say this is probably the worst bed we've had to sleep on. They did not have any more mattress pads. We requested them when we checked into our room. They didn't have any more. Our room attendant was very nice, and he said he put a duvet on top of it instead to try to help, but it still was very difficult to sleep. So please just keep that in mind if you book this room. I know Mariner of the Seas is going in for dry dock next year. It's December 2025 right now. I think it's going in for dry dock maybe February or March of 2026. They may do something about these beds, but if not, please just keep that in mind. You may want to bring your own mattress pad. It's kind of been difficult for us to sleep on this one for some reason. And like I said, this balcony door is very difficult to open. I can barely do it myself. It really takes a lot of strength. So just be mindful of that. I'll show you. It's just, I can't even do it with one hand. I'm so sorry. But normally I have to have my husband help me. If you want to lock it, this is the little lock that it'll have like a locking mechanism here. This doesn't really seem to do anything. Nothing really seems to change, but it's this that will actually lock it. And the AC will kick on when you have your door locked. Although I swear that the AC has actually kicked on when we've had the door open too, so not quite sure. But anyway, this is room 7544. We've really enjoyed our stay in here despite the mattress. That's the only thing I would change, but everything else has been perfectly fine. Our stateroom attendant has kept it clean for us. Very helpful with bringing ice, as you see. And it's been a gorgeous view. We absolutely love the location too. So close to the elevators. Never had a single problem with noise. It's been fabulous. All right, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. We'll have another room tour for you very soon.